Good morning, reception. Let's do our speed sounds. D, d, d. G, g, g. H, h, h. P, p, p. J, j, j. S, ah, ah, ah. K, k, k. Ah, ah, ah. B, b, b. I, I, I. X, x. V, o, o, o. Z, k, k, k. Qu, qu, qu. F, t, t, t. W, y. A corn in the storm. Look at a book. Ch, ch, chips and chops. A nurse with a purse. K, k, a duck in a truck. E, see the bee. I, a light at night. A pair of chairs. A snail in the rain. The three thumbs. Ooh, a poo in the zoo. Qu, a quick queen. O, a goat in a boat. R, start the car. Sh, a sheep in a shed. Ow, a brown cow. I, a coin in the soil. What can you hear? Yeah, sure, it's manure. Hello, reception. Okay, so today is the second day of the your sound, all right? And we're going to be thinking about your, sure, it's manure. Can you say it for me? Your, sure, it's manure. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop that up there and then we're going to use it if we need it, okay? So the three letters that we need in this trigraph are and then okay? So lock that in, don't forget. Now, day 2 of the sound, we are thinking about writing a sentence. And I've had a think, and my sentence is, the cure is sure. So by that I mean that the cure for maybe the illness or the medicine is definitely going to work. The cure is sure, okay? Do you think you could help me with that sentence? Okay, reception, let's do this. The cure is sure. Let's see how many words I've got. The cure is sure. Oh, 4 words. That's not too long. The cure is sure. I can do that. Okay, the. We know how to write that. T-H-E spells the. Okay, so we've got T, capital letter, because it's the start of my sentence. T-H-E spells the. Okay, now remember these letters are tall. H is tall into the sky and E is a grass letter. Okay, the cure is sure. Okay, so my next word is cure. What's the first sound I'm going to need? K, cure. Can you hear it? K, cure. Okay, I'm going to put it here. K. Oh, that doesn't look quite right, does it? What have I missed out, reception? My finger space. Oh dear. So I'm going to get rid of you, because you're in the wrong place. And I'm going to do my finger space, okay? K. York, your, you, and I. Okay, so the cure is sure. Okay, so my next word, the cure is. Okay, I think I can do that one. Let's stretch it. Is. And again, is. Okay, I can hear two sounds. Can you hear two sounds? Right, what two sounds can you hear? I, and s. Good, I can hear I and s. Okay, the cure is sure. Okay, sure. Now, sure's a bit of a tricky word because it sounds like sh, but it's just a s. Okay, and I don't think I'm going to fit it on here, do you? So I must go on to the next line, okay? S, your, sure. So I'm needing my sound of the day there, aren't I? Your, sure, it's me, your, okay? And I need and and I can be really fancy and join it up. My and my and you probably know how to join them up from a nurse with a purse because you were so good at joining them up. Okay. The cure is okay. Now I forgot my finger spaces before, but I'm certainly not going to forget my full stop. Perfect. Okay. Right, reception. So today I would like from you a sentence. All right. You might want to have a sentence with 2 words in, or you might want to do some sentences with 1 word in. That would be fantastic. Okay. And I look forward to seeing your sentences later on. Okay. Bye.